3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 30, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Get those three fellas away now. Very fast time down the bottom there on tree number 8. Jack Argent keeps up for read. Late pass, got a nice little creep on here, tree number 1. On running down after giving away a bit of start there. Won't be long before we've got another 2 action up from the top. Now down 3, 7 and 6. George Rowland along with Campbell Newman. Terry Hill coming 4 now. We've just almost got the whole field up on the top. Daniel Cook up on 2. He's getting race there on tree number 3. Up goes that back mark is about to go up now. Late pass hits the top. Tree number 1. Let's get along, ladies and gentlemen. We're very fast this race. Not mucking around tonight. Jack Argent on 3-8, probably got a slight lead. Campbell Newman on 3-6. On with George Rowland down there on tree number 7. Now comes Terry Hill on 3-4, along with Ann Cook on 3-2. Starting to close up now, they're starting to come together. Back margin down. Jim along, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. Jim going down late here on the number 1. And who's going to be the top first? It could be down the far end there. Block number 6 hits up first. Campbell Newman hits the block first. Closely followed by Jack Argent 3-8. Look at that men, they're coming home. They're fairly strong. They won't be long before they're up there. Up goes George Rowland down there 3-7. Looks like it's going to come from the far end of the field tonight. This Campbell Newman's cutting very strong on 6, Jack Argent's on 8. Georgie Rowland down on tree number 7. 2 zone balls handprint. Looks like it's coming in there to Campbell Newman on 3-6. Leave back then to come into 2nd place. And Jim along on the end here, ladies and gentlemen. Jack Argent dropped down at 3-8. He's coming to 2nd place. We need 4 placings. That late mark will be just in front of George Rowland. We'll leave that one to the judges.